Hi guys, it's me again, Ma'am Nov, and welcome to my channel. Okay, so today, tuturuan ko kayo mga grade 7 students. Okay, so you are now in your, I think, module 3. So module 3 is absolute value and operations on integers. So absolute value, madali lang naman yan. So I will discuss to you now operations on integers. So first is addition of integers. Are you now ready? Get your pen and notebook and let's learn Math 7. Okay, so before operating integers, let's discuss first what are integers. So, integers is the union of the set of whole numbers and negative of counting numbers. So, ano pala yung mga whole numbers? Meaning, yung 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. And negative of counting numbers. So, ano pala yung mga counting numbers? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. Meaning, negative of counting numbers is negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, and so on. Okay? Example, we have here negative 7, negative 6, negative 5, negative 4, negative 3, negative 2, negative 1, 0 is included, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and so on. So, these are examples of integers. Now, how about 1/2? Is 1/2 an integer? No, because 1/2 is not a whole number. How about 0.67? That's right. 0.67 is not an integer because 0.67 is not a whole number. How about, let's say, negative 1/5? It is negative. Diba? Sabi kapag negative number. Yes, that's right. Negative 1/5 is also not an integer because even if it is a negative, pero 1/5 naman siya, hindi naman siya whole number. So, meaning, it is not an integer. So, yung mga examples na yun, those are not examples of integers. Okay? So, let's add integers. Okay, how do you add integers? How do you add 2 and 3? How do you get the sum of negative 2 and negative 3? So, we will answer all of these questions as we go on in our lesson. Okay, how to add integers? So, we have three methods here to add integers. We have number line, the tiles method, and we have the addition rule. Okay, so we have here 6 plus negative 5. So, when you were in elementary, it's very easy to add kapag walang negative numbers. So, we have 6 plus 5. Ang sagot is 11. Pero this time, si 5 is negative. So, meaning we will add positive 6 plus negative 5. So, using the number line, so this is a number line. So, ang number line, it has 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and so on. Kasi line siya, meaning it can be continued. Negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, and so on. Okay, so this is a number line. Using this number line, okay, so sabi 6. So we will draw a dot here. Okay, so sa 6 tayo mag-draw ng dot. And then plus negative 5. Kapag negative class, jump tayo patungo sa left side. Okay, so we have, since 5, so we will jump 5 steps to the left. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? And nagland tayo sa positive 1, which means ang sagot is positive 1. Di ba very easy lang? Okay, how about sa tiles method? So, ganito yung tiles. Okay, so we have 6 tiles. Bakit 6 positive tiles? Because we have 6 here. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we also have negative tiles. We have 5 negative tiles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, kapag nagkadikit si positive and negative, we will cancel it out. Okay, so cross natin yan. Meaning, it becomes 0. 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 So, how many tiles ang naiwan? 1. Is that a positive or a negative tile? That's a positive tile. So, meaning, ang sagot is positive 1 kasi isang positive tile ang naiwan. So, we have number 2. 5 plus negative 3. We will use again the number line. Okay, so we have a number line here. And saan tayo first? Bago tayo mag-jump, saan tayo sa start? So, dito sa number 5. So, lagay natin dyan ang dot sa positive 5. Plus negative 3. So, saan tayo papunta? Sa left side or right side? That's right, left side. How many times? 3. So, we have 1, 2, 3. Okay, so saan tayo nagland? Sa positive 2. Therefore, ang sagot is positive 2. How about if you will use the tiles method? So, how many positive tiles ang kailangan? 5. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many negative tiles ang kailangan? 3. So, 1, 2, 3. And then, sabi ko kanina, kapag nagkadikit si positive and negative, magiging 0. So, 0, 0, 0. How many tiles ang naiwan? 2. Is it a positive or negative? It's positive. So, ang sagot is positive 2. The same kanina sa number line. Ang sagot is positive 2 pa rin. So, kahit anong method ang gagamitin mo, the same lang ang sagot. So, we have number 2. Negative 3 plus negative 2. So, we will use again the number line. So, saan tayo mag-start? Kay negative 3. So, we will put a dot here. And, saan tayo papunta? Sa left side or right side? That's right, left side. How many times? 2. So, because we have negative 2. So, 1, 2. And, nagland tayo kay negative 5. So, ang sagot is negative 5. Di ba very easy? Punta tayo sa tiles method. Okay? So, how many negative tiles? 3 because we have negative 3. And, add natin ng 2 negative tiles rin. Now, pwede ba natin siya makancel? Pwede ba siya maging 0? Diba sabi ko kanina, kapag ang positive and negative tiles nagkadikit, magiging 0. Pero since hindi ito positive, therefore walang 0 dyan. Walang makakancel dyan. So, how many tiles do we have? That's right, 5 negative tiles. So, ang sagot is negative 5. How about number 4? Negative 4 plus 8. So, we will use number line. It's up to us if it's number line or tiles method. So, this time, gagamit lang tayo ng number line. So, negative 4 plus 8. So, saan tayo magsa-start? Okay, kay negative 4. So, naglalagay lang tayo ng dot kay negative 4. And, how many times tayo mag-jump? 8 times. Okay? So, pa-left ba o pa-right? Diba kapag pa-left, kailangan negative ang integer. Kapag pa-right, kailangan positive ang integer. So, we will jump 8 times pa-right. So, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Saan tayo nagland? Kay positive 4. So, ang sagot is positive 4. So, review natin kanina, 5 plus negative 3 is positive 2. Negative 3 plus negative 2 is negative 5. Negative 4 plus positive 8, ang sagot is 4. Now, what if we have bigger numbers? So, we have negative 50 plus negative 6 and 35 plus negative 12. Can we use number line and tiles method? Yes, we can still use them. But, mahihirapan tayo because we will create a number line na may negative 50. Ang taas, di ba ng number line natin? Or, kukuha tayo or magdodraw tayo ng tiles ng 50 negative tiles. And 6 negative tiles 2. Di ba? And how about sa 35 plus 12, negative 12? So, we have 35 positive tiles and 12 negative tiles. So, ang taas ng process. That's why we have the addition rule. So, balik tayo sa number 1. 6 plus negative 5. Let's apply the addition rule. So, this is the addition rule, but pwede rin itong kantahin para hindi nyo malimutan ano. What if we will just sing this? Okay? So, you can sing it because we have the lyrics here. So, this is to the tune of Row, Row, Row Your Boat.
Same signs add and keep, different signs subtract. Use the sign of the bigger number, then you'll be exact. Same signs add and keep, different signs subtract. Use the sign of the bigger number, then you'll be exact. Same
Sabay kayo.
signs add and keep, different signs subtract. Use the sign of the bigger number, then you'll be exact.
Ulit.
Same signs add and keep, different signs subtract. Use the sign of the bigger number, then you'll be exact.
Alright. So, yun lang. Same sign. You just add and keep the sign. When different signs naman, we will just subtract and we will use the sign of the bigger number. Then it will be exact. Okay, so let's apply the rule. We have same sign, add and keep, different sign, subtract. First, identify mo muna. Are they the same sign? Or are they different signs? Yes, they are different signs. So we will just subtract. 6 minus 5 is 1. And we will use the sign of the bigger number. Ano ba ang sign ng bigger number? First, ano ba ang bigger number? 6 or 5? That's right, 6. So, ano ba ang sign ni 6? Positive. So, ano nga ang sagot kanina? 6 minus 5? 1, hindi ba? And then we will use the sign ng 6 which is positive. So, ang sagot is positive 1. Next, how about number 2? Negative 3 plus negative 2. What is the addition rule? Is number 2. Same sign, different signs. So, they are same sign. Both are negative. So, we will just add and keep the sign. So, we have negative 3 plus negative 2. So, 3 plus 2. Ang sagot is 5. Ano ba ang sign na common sa kanilang dalawa? Negative. So, sagot is negative 5. How about number 3? Negative 4 plus 8. Same sign or different signs? Different signs kasi ang isa negative, ang isa positive. So, ano ang gagawin kapag different signs? Same sign, add and keep, different sign, subtract. So, we will subtract. It's the sign of the bigger number, then it will be exact. So, we will subtract. Negative 4 plus 8. So, 8 minus 4 is 4. And we will use the sign of the bigger number. Saan bang bigger number dyan? 8 or 4? si 8. So, we will use its sign. Ang sign niya is positive. So, ang sagot is positive 4. Okay, dito tayo. What if malalaking numbers? So, first, identify muna natin if same sign ba or different signs. So, same signs ba? Same sign. So, same sign, add and keep. So, we'll just add them. 50 plus 6 is 56. And we will keep the sign na common sa kanila, which is negative. So, ang sagot is negative 56. Next, number 5. 35 plus negative 12. Same sign or different sign? So, they have different signs. Ang isa positive, ang isa negative. So, same sign, add and keep, different sign, subtract. So, we will subtract. 35 minus 12 is 23. And we will use the sign ng higher number or yung bigger number. Saan bang bigger number dyan? Si 35. Ano ang sign niya? Positive. So, ang sagot is positive 23. Now, let's try. Get your pen and notebook and let's try this. So, bago kayo sumagot, do not guess ha. Sing the addition rule and apply it. Same sign, add and keep, different sign, subtract. Use the sign of the bigger number, then it will be exact. So, the answer is negative 20 because we will just add them and we will keep the sign. So, 17 plus 3 is 20 and we will use the sign. So, negative 20. Same sign, different signs. Different signs, so we will subtract. 17 minus 13 is 4 and we will use the sign of the bigger number. Saan bang bigger number dyan kapag naging absolute value? Si 17. So, anong sign niya? Negative. So, ang sagot is negative 4. 90 plus negative 19. Same sign or different signs? That's right, different signs. 90 is positive and 19 is negative. So, we will subtract. 90 minus 19 is 71 and we will use the sign of the bigger number. Saan bang bigger number dyan? 90. See, 90. So, positive ang kanyang sign. So, we will use its sign. So, ang sagot is positive 71. Number 4. Negative 27 plus 37. Different signs. Same sign, add and keep. Different sign, subtract. Use the sign of the bigger number, then it will be exact. So, we have different signs. So, we will subtract. 37 minus 27 is 10. And we will use the sign of the bigger number. So, saan bang bigger number dyan? Si 37. And ang kanyang sign is positive. So, ang sagot is positive 10. Okay, number 5. 10 plus negative 10. So, we have same sign or different signs? Different signs. So, we will subtract. 10 minus 10 is 0. We will use the sign of the bigger number. May bigger number ba sa kanilang dalawa? Wala. Pero, ang sagot is 0. Wala namang positive 0 and negative 0 because 0 is a neutral number. So, we have 0. So, 10 plus negative 10 is 0. By the way, class, in writing, kapag nagkadikit na si positive sign and si negative sign, kailangan nating gumawa ng parenthesis. Try to answer on your module. I know, mas madali na lang sumagot ngayon. Study well, students! Thank you for listening. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye! Stay at home and help your parents!